My name is Swami Tirukumar, and the people call me Tiru the Dosa Man. And I operate NYC Dosa's vegetarian vegan dosa cart in Washington Square Park. This one I'm doing past 17 years. This is my 18th year going now.
What's dosa?
Okay, so dosa, from what I've seen, is this Indian crepe, and they put on top of it this like potatoes mashed with spices, like the Indian spices, and then this guy puts veggies on it, like lettuce and I'm not really sure what else, but we're about to go find out, and I'm really excited. There's usually people doing...
How do you think this is gonna end?
It's gonna end with me in the bathroom.
I mean, all of us are gonna end up being in the bathroom.
I don't know.
It all depends on how the bathroom is. Regardless of what we eat, that's true. We just got a glimpse of the line. It's not looking so good. Right, David?
Yeah, we gotta wait to get messed up now. Now we can't just go.
Oh my god! That line is ridiculous!
Bro, what is this?
On time?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we're at the end of it.
Alright, so whoever comes behind him
Yeah, you can get some pictures of.
can't get any dosa. Are you excited? There's got to be some type of hype in it. It's this fun.
You been here before?
Nope.
No, first time?
Yep.
How'd you hear about it?
Through Instagram.
Was it?
Just
Did
like
you
the
watch
rest
the
of
same
us.
video we watched?
No, just watching how the like daily posts he does. Which are really cute.
Okay.
Oh, he posts himself? Yeah. He does like updates to say whether he's working today. It's a picture of him.
So cool.
You could have not been working today, and you would have gone.
No,
tonight.
no, no,
we
no,
called.
no. We called.
Oh.
Something stupid.
We're organized.
I mean,
I don't know how Impulsive Traveler does.
I'm actually very surprised that you guys called. Like, I would not have expected you to call.
She doesn't know it, but she's not going to be able to order because that guy's the last guy on the line. What are you getting,
I forgot the name.
I know.
I forgot the name.
What are you getting?
The masala dosa.
Masala dosa. Masala dosa has what in it? It's rice, lentils, and potato, right? Ooh. No, I'm kidding. It all looks good. David?
Shady. I think I'm gonna get the Pondicherry. We're gonna get 2 Pondicherries.
We're going to get
3
Pondicherries. We're probably saying it like a bunch of gringos.
It's terrible. Yo, we literally
Update. It's
we
been
drank
how long?
last-
10, 15 minutes? 10, 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes.
We made some progress.
We've
5 feet.
we were at the bench. We're here now. Based on my calculations, I estimate that we will get there in never.
But you can Venmo him.
Dosa Guy.
It's now been what, like 45 minutes, and they tried saying that the Dosa Guy is about to get sold out, but we're gonna ride this line out just in case that they have more food. But it's honestly not looking that promising.
I don't believe that's a body. It had a body with anything.
It's right there.
It's body.
I don't know.
All vegetarian, all vegan stuff. Pacha vengayo, poricha vengayo. Marakari ellam. Very stone blank dosa mare. 100 dosa or shot. Sure. 100 dosa and a shot. Many names.
So we're extremely close. I can see the grill, but he's run out of everything. So he's making a makeshift dosa with samosas in it, right? It's gonna be interesting.
So hungry.
Thank you. 4 special samosa dosa.
Yes, sir.
All of them spicy.
Yep.
Excuse me. Can I take a water?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is where the magic happens.
Yeah. All of you spicy?
Yes, please. Because I'm so hungry. I'm really excited.
So hungry, he's gonna fall down now. Make big dosa for you.
Yes, I want the biggest ones.
I'm gonna give a lot of stuffing inside.
Okay, that's what I want.
We already said close and people still waiting. I don't know. We don't know how much dosa we have. We promise up to this guy and then we'll see. Because the batter running out, so we'll see how many we have, okay? We don't know.
We should open a store.
We barely made it. Wait, why not store?
I'm unique, you know. I've got like big time fan club presence. They love me all around, so I just picked with this.
Okay.
Since 2002, look, 2001.
Yeah, we saw the video.
Yeah.
We saw the video of it.
So even if I wanted to, I can, you know. They love me so much, so I love them too. You know? Keep me going, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, store then I have to open every day. This I work whenever day I want and whenever day I don't want, I sleep home, you know. Freelance. You know?
This is made with love, that's why.
That's it. Yeah. But I have to make all the food too, you know. A lot of stuff, you know.
We have to come back and try the.
This is the special stuff you're getting. You 2 hours worth, you know, you waited, so it's really worth it for you.
What days are you not as busy?
Every day is busy, dude. Yeah.
I'm not trying to.
Rainy day is not that busy.
Rainy day. Okay.
And if you get here,
I don't want to stand in the rain either.
and if you come here before 12:30, and most of the days we don't have. After the 15th May, it's going to be slow though.
Okay.
Because we have catering order up to 15.
Okay.
NYU.
Okay.
Today we are double catering for
Wow.
NYU. Yeah, that's why it's backed up the line and cleaned down all the food. You know? It's all special for you guys.
Thank you. You hear that? Special. Because they're special.
Yeah. Plate to eat now, right? When you sit down, you open the cup, the dal, and dip it with everything and eat. Okay?
Got it.
Thanks for waiting for 2 hours, man. Thank you so much. Sorry. Yeah. Barely got food right here, something. You guys are lucky. A lot of unlucky people standing there. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you.
Look at that. Steaming.
Yeah.
I got 10, and then 11, and then 1.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I paid 22 in November.
Okay. No problem.
Interesting.
What is that? Chutney?
I have no idea.
I think it's chutney.
So the first bite, should I take it with everything?
Yeah.
So I do a little bit of
What
this?
is that sauce?
I have no idea.
I don't even know what to expect.
So many different flavors. Oh man.
That's
Yeah.
good. That's
Yo.
You're showing me the top
That
of your
is
head.
phenomenal. Oh my
Really?
god.
That's crazy.
All right, it's my time. I'm hungry. All right, where I want a good bite. This is where the good stuff is. What?
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Look at that. Look at that.
No,
Potatoes. Dosa. Samosa dosa. All right. Ready? What do we got? What do we got?
That's so good.
Was it worth the wait? We're gonna finish. We're gonna finish our samosa dosas, and we'll talk about it after. Although we couldn't get the dosas that we wanted to try, because the guy ran out of everything. I think it was pretty good, right?
It was good.
What do you think?
First time trying Indian. It definitely
That's
hit
your
the
first
spot.
time eating any type of Indian food?
First time.
Stop playing.
First time.
Seriously?
We waited 2 hours, like an hour and a half for it.
Okay, all right. That's not the greatest first time, but
No,
It tasted
could've
really
been
good.
better.
It tasted really good.
you're saying it could have been better?
I think the samosas didn't have like that explosion of flavors, you know?
It's not what I was
I
expecting,
think
but it was good.
we could have gotten the thing that we originally wanted to get. I think would have been much better. And I'm really excited to try.
I don't know. I don't think so.
But I thought it was good. It was very good.
The flavors were on point.
Yeah, I feel like it was really clean. I don't feel like I have the itis or anything, but it did
I'm
not
hungry.
fill us up. So we are gonna go get more food.
Maybe.
So,
it
thank
was
you guys. It was good. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't yet,
Comment.
Eat.
Subscribe and like.